Since we learned about functions, we're going to learn about recursion now. So recursion is a way that you can use functions that you can actually call the function within the definition of the function or within the function itself, okay? So what does that really mean? Let's first look at a non-recursive function example. Let's say we wanted to count down every number to 0. You input a number and it's going to go, let's say 10, it'll go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, all the way down to 1. Okay, so we'll say count number while number is greater than or equal to 0, print the number, and then number equals number minus 1. Okay, so if you look at this, we're going to get a number, and while it's greater than or equal to 0, it's going to print it, then it's going to decrease it. So if it's 10, okay, it's greater than or equal to 0, it'll print 10, then it's going to equal 9. It's going to keep on going through. So if we look on our console and we say count 10 and run it, we see 10 through 0, okay? But this function is really just doing one thing over and over again, and this is a great way to recursively call the function. So we could rewrite this function, let's get rid of all of it, and say print number, okay? So if you put in 10, it's first going to print out 10. Then if number is not equal to 0, return count of number minus 1. So if we look what happens, let's say we put in 10, it's going to print out 10. Then if number is not equal to 0, it's going to return the count of number minus 1, okay? So what does that mean? Let's look at it. All right, so it goes from 10, 9, 8 all the way down to 0, okay? So this is a way where you can actually call this function count. This is the same function as here, and all it's doing is once you call this, it's going to go back in here and recursively call the function, okay? This could mean a lot, or be a lot, and we're actually going to look at an example